Hey everybody, as a follow-on to the butterfly tap to weave, tapped butterfly transitions that I showed you, in that same video I also showed some stall transitions between the two, and there's been some requests to do that in more detail. I actually want to show you an easier version of it first. If I did the left hand, would be flipping the left hand out, stalling the left hand, going to the weave, opening the weave, stalling the left hand, and flipping it to the front. To the right, it would be opening it, stalling it, going into the weave, opening it, stalling it, going into the butterfly. You have to first be able to do this figure eight. So if you can't do this figure eight, that's the first thing that you should learn. And if you look at it in front of you, as you see it on the screen, it's going clockwise in front of you. And then you're going to flip it back behind, and if you looked over your shoulder, it would be as if you were pushing down and out. This is true with both versions. So when you're doing it with the right hand, it's counterclockwise on the front, and when you go back behind, like with the other side, it pushes down and out. And that's how you know you got the right figure eight. So here's how it works. You're in your butterfly here, you keep your right hand where it is. Your left hand is going to do the figure eight, stay back behind. You turn your body 90 degrees so that you can go into the weave. Then you're going to stall and then enter into the weave. Then from your weave, you would open it up and then you would stall, go back behind you, come out underhand, then turn 90 degrees and flip that left poi back in. So 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back behind, then stall, then overhand weave, and then open up the weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall, come to underhand, and flip it to the front, and 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back, and stall. All right, so I did that in one motion. You could do it in two, where you flip it back, then stall, or you could do it where you flip it back and stall all at once, and then come into the weave. You can work up to it though, so you start here, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back. When you're ready, you stall. Then, when you're ready, go into the weave, and then open it up. When you're ready, stall, come out in underhand, and then come to the front. When you get more advanced, you'll be able to do it like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back behind, stall immediately, and immediately pull it into the weave. Then we're gonna open it up, and when we open it up, we'll stall back and immediately flip it to the butterfly. So from the weave, 5, 6, 7, 8, open it, stall back all at once, turn right, come into overhand butterfly. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back, stall, come into overhand weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn right, come into overhand butterfly, and then one more time slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it back, turn, stall, weave, open it up, stall, come to underhand, turn right, flip it back to butterfly, and then one more time quickly, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip and stall, come to weave, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn right to butterfly. And then if you did it with the other hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, stall, weave, open it up, stall back, underhand, turn right to butterfly. And repeating, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, turn, stall, weave, and then you're going to open up your weave, stall, come to underhand, turn and flip to butterfly. And one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, stall, weave, and stall back, come to underhand, turn, and flip back to butterfly. Now, going quickly, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and stall into the weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn right to the butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and stall to the weave, and open it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, left stall back, turn right to butterfly. And then last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and stall, come into weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn right, come to butterfly. Just the right hand doing the drill. We'll do it slowly 3 times, then we'll do it the smoother one like we did on this side with less breaks after for 3. So 6 total, then we'll do it with the poi. We're gonna flip the poi to the back, stall the right poi, come into the weave, then you're gonna open it up, stall the poi back, come to underhand, turn back to the front to the left, and come into overhand butterfly. Second set, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. You flip it, you stall it, you're in your weave, you open up your weave, you stall it, you come to underhand, turn back to the front into overhand butterfly. And last time, with just the one hand, like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, turn, stall, and weave. And then you're gonna open up your weave, stall, underhand with the right, turn left, flip into butterfly. Now if we did it with the slicker version, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and stall, come into weave directly, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn left, come into butterfly directly, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, flip, stall, and weave directly, and 5, 6, 7, 8, right stalls back, turn left immediately into butterfly, and then last one with the right alone, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, stall, weave, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back with the right, turn left, come to overhand butterfly. Now let's do it with 2 poi. We'll do it the slow way first, and here we go. We're gonna 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, and turn, and stall, and weave, and then open it up, and then stall right, come to underhand, and then turn your body as you flip your right poi into overhand butterfly. And 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, then turn, then stall, and weave, and open it up, and stall back with your right, come to underhand with the right, flip your right poi to the front as you turn to the left into overhand butterfly, and third set, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, and turn, and stall, and weave. Then open it up, stall back with your right, come to underhand, flip it back to the front as you turn to the left into butterfly. And now 3 times the slick way, here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip and turn, stall, come into weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back, turn left, come to butterfly, and 5, 6, 7, 8, flip and stall, come into weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall back and immediately turn to butterfly. And last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and stall, pull it into the weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, open it up, stall back with the right, turn left, come into butterfly. Now for a more advanced version of the stall from the weave to the butterfly, instead of turning and stalling into the weave, what you do is you stall on the front plane and turn immediately. And then you can do the same transition back. So you keep the poi on the front plane, and the other hand that was in the butterfly goes over the top of it after the stall. Right, so you're here, they're in opposite direction. You're gonna stall the poi that is on, so if you mirror me, it would be your left hand. It would stall out to the side as you turn this way. One more time mirroring me. You're in the butterfly, take your left poi, stall it out to the side, cross your right poi on top, go into the weave. And then if we did the other arm, if you're mirroring me, you're gonna stall your right arm, and as you turn to the right, your left hand is gonna come over your right arm into the overhand weave. And then you stall the right poi, turn, come back to butterfly. So on the front plane, stall out with the right poi to the side, and hold it there as long as you need to get it to stop. Then you're gonna take your other arm, cross it over the top, and you pull into an overhand weave. This requires you being able to start the weave on this side with your right hand on bottom, me mirroring you, or on this side with your left hand on bottom, to do it the way I'm doing it, just saying. So that's the one that I actually demonstrated in the video the other day. The other one I think is easier. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions. Tag me in the next one. Have a good one.